Sophia, are we gonna look for Easter eggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come in this chair.
Okay.
I'm gonna go take pictures of you outside and see what's
Enough.
I'm gonna get down.
Hey, Cruz. Hi.
So you ready? Oh, she's like,
Hang on.
Wait. Sophia, back.
not yet.
I'll go, hi,
Where she went. Hey, it's not hide and seek. It's Easter egg hunt.
I know, but I was counting my numbers.
Okay, are you ready? You ready?
Sophia, come on.
Go.
Go. Oh, no.
Look at all of them on the grass. Go
Go.
find them on the grass.
They're all in the grass.
Macy, look.
Go, Macy, go!
Oh, no big deal. Go find all the eggs. Go pick them all up.
Mace. There's some for Cruzy.
Go pick.
Hey, Macy, Sophia's bag's gonna be full. What about
I
the
found
drone?
one.
Put them in your bucket.
Grab that one.
Good job. Buddy getting all the eggs.
Don't follow Sophia around.
Right there.
No. Can I?
No, that's for Cruz. Taylor, do you want me to get his basket?
He's good.
Okay, he just has his one little egg.
That's look at right here.
Taylor, let her do it.
Go over. Come on, Sophia.
Sophia, this way.
Oh, look at.
Go.
Hurry, Sophia, over here.
Sophia,
Hurry.
there's a whole bunch over here.
She is moving now.
There you go. Yeah, there you go.
Keep going, hon. Hey. Macy, that way. Macy, look. Macy.
Where'd that one go? Where you go, Patron?
Go off on the other
Good
side.
job, Mace.
Oh, do you have a lot? He already changed. There's some down there.
Macy, the hard one.
You get a bubble.
Macy, Macy, look. Right there.
I got a whole bunch.
Macy, look in the middle. Here.
Look at, there's some on the ground there. Little jelly beans.
Yeah.
They don't pick up the one that's broke.
I know.
Look at, we forgot one in the bush over there.
Sophia, right behind you.
Sophia, there's another one over
Cruz has his one little Easter egg.
Yep. What do you think, Patron?
Sophia, over here.
Macy, this way. See more?
I see more.
Daddy, does Daddy have any?
Hey, look another tree.
You have to give him a hug, though.
Macy, look at.
Yeah.
Does your little cruiser have a look? Look in your cruiser.
Macy, come here. Yo,
All
car.
on the fence, Sophia. All along the fence. Look at, Sophia.
Sophia, go by your dad.
Make her go in the park.
She can't step in the bark. Mace,
Stop.
Mace, look at your little cruiser.
The car. The red car.
I want some too.
Right here. Hey,
Patron. Next year, buddy, you'll be all over him.
look at in your car.
There's some in your car. That stuff in it.
Next year. Oh, wow, you're stepping on the good candy.
Oh, man.
She's like that one. Hey. Where did your drinks go in your car? Where did your drinks go in your car?
Where's your cocktail go?
Look up there. Where would you
That's no underneath the little play slide here.
Is there anything under there?
Look at your cocktail. There you go.
The answer
Nice job.
is cocktail in your car.
Well, you got a ton, Sophia.
This is mine.
Now it's Cruzy's.
Oh, whoa.
Did we get them all? Macy, go show Mimi.
There's a couple on the ground. Pick those up.
Go show
The
Amy.
little ones.
Sophia and Macy, go show Amy your baskets. Can I see your eggs?
Pick up like, yeah, eat them.
No.
I'll eat it.
Sophia and Macy, go show Mimi your basket. Sophia.
Sasha?
Sophia.
Sophia, enough.
Good thing I didn't fertilize yesterday.
Not gonna say Sophia. Oh, wait. Back up. Back up, mate. Sophia.
Open them
There you
back
go.
up. Mace, pick them up.
Look at Mimi.
Those are good candies. Give them to me.
Hey, Sophia, come over
I'll
here.
have a couple.
Hey, yeah, that's babies.
That's Patron's.
Here, come over here. Stand together.
One more.
Come over
Oh,
here.
they found one.
Mace, come over here. Just a minute. Mace, taking a picture. Can you stand together and see cheese?
Sophia.
Hold hands. Hold your hands. Hold your basket, Mace. There. Hold your basket. Oh. You want to hold your basket?
There you go.
Look at Mimi. Oh my gosh, you are a mess.
With Papa and Grandma behind. Go over here so you don't have them in the back. Come over this side.
She looks like a pig pen.
There. Okay, now say cheese.
No, you're
Sophia, you don't smile.
Supposed to Easter.
Now stop faces.
Uh-oh.
Oh, blow out. Whoa.
She's like, whoa, that one's empty. What is this?
Like, this hat is big, man. She got an empty.
She's like, I don't want that
She wants the refill on it.
Yep. Mom tricked you. Yeah? Oh, psych. Tulsa, did you put these out? Heck yeah, I did.
Empty one?
Yeah?
Oh, that could be
Oh.
You find one with stuff in it? Oh, you got a hard boiled one.
Hard boiled.
Oh, I'll have one.
Sure.
Oh, man.
Picks up 2 drumsticks.
I thought Grandma was putting a few jelly beans in those. Oh, they even the big people.
No, there's some still in there.
Sophia's just shoving them in her mouth.
Yeah, Is that all yours? Oh, girl, breathe.
Oh, honey.
That's enough candy.
Yeah, you're gonna choke.
Whoa, he wants it. Did you see that? Oh, you're spilling. Oh, gone it.
Show me your candy.
You're spilling behind you.
Sophia, open your mouth.
Here, I'll take a couple. No. The ones on the ground.
Daddy knows.
The ones on the ground. Give me the ones on the ground.
Cruz is like, dude, this sucks. Put some in there.
Pick those up, honey. I'll eat them. Sophia.
Now what? We
Now
done
what?
with Easter? Can we go home?
Wow, it was sad.
What do you got? You got a bow cutter?
Let
Yeah.
me take a picture of your
Oh,
basket.
here's all right.
Show me your basket. Show me your basket.
No, like hold it up, Sophia. Maybe hold it with 2 hands.
Easter.
What size is that outfit?
Dude, he stuck his teeth.
5T. I know. Like she wears 5T and
Look at that.
shirts, but pants are always too big. I have to get 4T for
The
her.
Carter's one?
Was it?
Yes.
They'll shrink. It's crazy.
Okay, good.
It'll be like 3T tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm glad the Varners decided to join us.
I don't see anymore. I know this yard's too small to do adult hiding.
Good job, honey.
Wow, we did
You
it.
are a
Grandpa's in his.
mess. Grandpa gave you guys money.
Yeah.
They had to find one with your name on it or something.
No more Sasa.
Say, yeah, Grandpa, where's the money?
So everyone got 1 golden egg.
That's not true. They had our names on it, right?
Uh-uh.
I thought you had to find the one with your name on there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because they always hid the oldest one.
Can you put those big ones on one of these?
Can you
The
share
hardest.
some candy with
Sour
me?
or lemon?
Why? Then why?
Mine.
I want some candy.
Sasa, you gotta share your candy. You want me to take it away? You can share.
Come on.
Psych!
Thanks.
Macy. Macy, can I see your eggs?
Can I help you?
Let me see your eggs.
Wait, shoot. Let me get it.
Oh, thank you.
Oh!